Every child deserves to feel happy, feel safe, feel love, and have a home. But in each part of the world, in every country and in every town, there are children who are abused and neglected. I'm Princess Madeleine of Sweden, and my mother founded World Childhood Foundation 14 years ago with a dream to ensure that every child grows up in an environment away from harm and neglect. We are now launching the Thank You campaign to allow each of us the chance to say thank you to the people who made a difference in our own childhood. The people who believed in us, who made us feel loved and safe, the people who got us where we are today.
Hi, I'd like to say thank you to my biology teachers in school, Mr. Gagner and Mrs. Simons, who made me make the decision to study what I did and has given me the opportunity to work with fantastic environmental and social issues at Oriflame.
Bana her zaman insanları sevmeyi, mutlu olmayı, olumlu düşünmeyi öğreten anneme sonsuz teşekkürler.
I want to send a special thank you to my mom and dad for always believing in me and being strong believers in that you should work with your passion and supporting my passion so that I could become good in what I do. So thank you, mom and dad.
أنا بشكر مدرب الباسكت بول بتاعي هو اللي حسسني بقيمة العمل الجماعي وإزاي أقدر أحقق هدفي كفريق وعرفني كمان إزاي أبقى قائد متميز. أنا بقول له أنت مقصر فيا لغاية دلوقتي، شكرا.